As part of our super simple side dishes, this is a Turkish Ezme salad. So effectively don't use a NutriBullet because that blends the absolute shit out of it. Pureed it.
Oh no.
Right, okay. So we're going to use a processor today, which is just going to lightly coarsely chop it. So we've got an onion, some red peppers. Let's get this one started. We've got some spring onion into the processor. We've got a green mild chili. Seeds can stay in this as well. Fiery red chili. Seeds can stay in again. And we've got a green chili as well. 2 cloves of garlic can go straight in. We've got 1 mild red chili. Romanesco pepper. And just roughly chop this again. 200 grams of cherry tomatoes. Juice of 2 lemons. 2 teaspoons of our Pul Biber. Pomegranate molasses for an element of sweetness going through that fiery heat. Decent handful of parsley, a little seasoning. Generous amount of our olive oil just to bring everything together. On with our lid and give this a quick blitz. And you get this beautifully finely chopped Ezme salad. That can simply go straight into our bowl. Finish with a generous glug of olive oil just over the top. Little season. There we go, ready in 5 minutes. That is a real punchy dip. Works brilliantly with barbecues, works perfectly as a side. Use that with dipping breads. That is as simple as a simple side gets. That is my Ezme salad.